gonna jump in? Jump in holding hands. Getting in? Yeah. This was my margarita.
Holy cow!
How'd you jump in? The thing. It takes forever. I'd like to thank my brother for setting up the cruise on this wonderful family vacation.
Mara, vente para acá. Abraham, you're gonna jump in like this with your hands up and go down.
Freddie and Fonzie.
Yeah. stayed with Mom. She wasn't coming, so he stayed with her. I know he'll be happy to be with her. Oh man, she's a fish in water. We gotta watch her because she jumps in, just like her mom. Oh, who was that? Belly flops. That had to be Arturo. No. Oh. We gotta keep an eye on it because that's like nobody's watching. Where's he at? Hey, look, a butterfly. Good luck. Where? Landed right. All right. I'm getting some. Hey. Come here, Abraham. Look. Sarah. Look, Abigail. Oh. Be nice, Troy. I'll put it on your finger. Be nice. Wait. Be nice, Troy.
Here's la mariposa.
Oh, wow.
All right. Nice. Oh, he's in the water. Don't wet the wings. He can't fly.
Oh my god. She did kill it.
It's wet. You can't fly.
Did she kill it? She did, right? That's part of it. It's on his finger.
Abigail, how did you do that? What happened? What you doing?
Mom, hold her. I'm gonna jump in. Jump with me.
Hell no, dude. I can do it, but I'm saying.
Hey,
Jump holding hands. Jump holding hands.
Kevin, don't make us
we're
look bad.
gonna hold hands.
Don't make us look bad. You're part of the family now.
All you do is go down and
I
come
want
up.
to go on the boat.
Your dad's in there.
Look.
Your mom is in.
I'm gonna do. Look at me.
Here, Kev. Where's her? Hey, look at her. This little girl, you gotta watch her.
Gotta hold my hand, Mama. You can't come.
That's how she was last night. Look at her.
All right, Ethan, we're going to put it back, okay?
trying to hold the camera. I'm gonna jump in.